The monoclonal antibody used in these assays is referred to as CD4. This is the basic reagent to see helper T lymphocytes. This is to measure the number of CD4 positive lymphocytes in the blood which are gradually being destroyed by HIV, and so the number of CD4 cells is related to the immunodeficiency of the patient. Another reagent, CD45, is used to count all of the white blood cells, which is also a useful routine assay. An additional test for the so-called activation markers decreases the cost of viral load assays, which can be very high. These studies have been carried out at the Witwatersrand University, Johannesburg, in South Africa, under the guidance of Professor Deborah Glencross and Professor Wendy Stevens. The aim of this film is twofold. In the first part, you will see how a well-equipped laboratory performs a CD4, CD45 and viral load-related assay. This is in 6 modules. These technical steps are then implemented in 70 laboratories throughout South Africa. In the second part, the relationship is discussed between a large central laboratory that carries out thousands of tests each day and the more peripheral laboratories which are close to the point of care of patients. The discussion here is focused on how to facilitate support for the treatment of more HIV infections.